Hey guys, how's it going? It's me again. I'm sorry I haven't been recording anything much lately. I've been pretty much caught up in family life, but I'm back now. Um, Happy New Year 2021. So, yeah, I wanted to chat about my latest thoughts on where crypto's heading and my trading journey, because that is something good that's going on in my life and I want to focus on it rather than things that I can't control outside of myself. Just want to focus on what I can control, and because that makes me happy. So let's start with thoughts on BTC. So I like to read Cointelegraph. They're really good news information on cryptos. And pretty much this article that I read reflects what my technical analysis has been saying about Bitcoin. When it reaches 30 grand, um, I reckon that it's going to pull back down again. I like using Fibonacci, so for me, I reckon it will pull back down to the 61.8 level. And it's good because these guys are saying pretty much the same thing, that um, when BTC rises so much and it gets into overbought territory, as it is showing here on the RSI indicator, it's way overbought. It's over 70. Um, it needs to start correcting. So, and that's what they're saying, that we could enter a minor consolidation or correction near the 30K mark. Um, if price turns down from 30K, the pair could drop to 20-day exponential moving average around 25 grand. Um, and as long as it rebounds off that level, then the uptrend remains intact. But if it goes below, just keep your eye on it. Then, if there's a change in trend, then that means change in market structure. That means um, the uptrend is over and it's time to move on to alts. So it's so cool to actually know all this now. I mean, I've only just started learning trading about 3 months ago. For 3 months, yeah, end of September, October, November, December, yeah, about 3 months. Um, yeah, so it just makes all the difference on when you know, like when to buy the coin and when not to, when you can read charts, makes all the difference. So I highly really recommend, if you don't know how to trade, to watch my 20-minute free intro to trading webinar below. I'll post the link. That'll get you started on the right path to know how to trade, and you can do it in record time as long as you get surrounded by the right mentors and professionals to show you what to do and do market scans with you a few times a week, which we do, our community does. So anyway, moving on to my trading journey, where I'm at is that 3 months in, I realized that I, with a small amount of capital I have in Binance, it's not enough really for me to make a living off um, as yet. Like, yeah, I can build my account slowly, but to live off it at the moment, I don't have enough in there to do that. So I was racking my brain on how to actually make a living off trading and just put it out there, my intention out there to the universe, that woo woo stuff. And pretty much I attracted something which basically solved that problem, um, on how can I trade a large amount of capital. And what came back was a funded trader program. And the guys I found really cool, called Fidelcrest. Um, so yeah, Fidelcrest trading programs. You can become a funded trader and trade funded accounts up to 400 grand and keep 90% of profits. So it's so good. How could I not share it? Hey, so yeah, and also because I was thinking I'm thinking too small and I need to learn to think bigger and actually just go for it because now I know how to trade and I believe in my ability and I'm confident. I feel like I can do this on a bigger account. So there you go. These guys let you trade. You can start with a normal Pro FX account, which is these larger amounts, or there's also micro FX accounts. But I'll start with the larger amounts because they're more exciting. So you basically have to pay a one-off evaluation fee to join, and you have to trade on a demo account for 30 days and reach their minimum profit target in order for them to then fund you that capital to trade with the next month. So, and you get to keep between 40 to 80%. That's phase two once you get funded. And it is so cool, isn't it? Um, the strategy options are normal risk strategy with a profit target of 7.5%, and there's also an aggressive strategy um, with a minimum profit target of 15%. After completing the challenge phase, minimum profit targets are reduced to 5% with the normal and 10% with aggressive accounts. You can start earning up to 50% commission right after completing the challenge phase. After passing the challenge and evaluation phase, you move on to the professional account, so phase three. The professional account has no minimum profit targets, and you can keep the account as long as no rules are violated. So they have strict trading rules as well that you have to abide by. And I've read it all and I asked all the questions, so that's why I'm sharing it now because I'm confident in this. And once you reach this level, the commissions are from 40 to 90%, which is super exciting. Um, yeah, so there you go, guys. And they let you trade any instrument as well. Um, so I learned to trade on cryptos, but once you learn how to trade on that, you can trade on any instrument. So they offer commodities and cryptos and forex and all the rest you can trade on here. Using you do have to use a different platform. You have to use MetaTrader 4 or 5 or CTrader platforms. Yeah, see it says trade any instrument offered by the top regulated brokers here. So I've joined up with IC Markets because they recommended that one. And there you go, Forex, stocks, indices, metals, energies, crypto, and more. So yeah, it's very exciting. And it didn't take me long to get my head around CTrader either because it's very similar to the platforms I have been using, but way better, I reckon. Way better. Um, yeah, and just yeah, there's also the micro FX smaller accounts, um, where if you don't, meet the profit target, they give you a second chance for free, but that's only on these ones. They don't give you that second chance on the larger accounts. So just, be aware of budgeting for, whichever one you're going to join, and be aware of that. Um, but yeah, their website pretty much explains everything. It's got all the Q&A there. Have a read for yourself. I will post my link to Bildel Crest below as well. If you could kindly please, if you're thinking of joining, to sign up using my link, that would be awesome. I'd really appreciate that. And if you've got any questions, just hit me up. Cheers.